What did medieval English sound like? A good shorthand way to figure out what medieval English sounds like is to take all vowels and pronounce them as you would in French and pronounce every letter. The word for wife would be pronounced wief. The word for house would be pronounced huis. The word knight, knicht. Here is what the Lord's Prayer would have sounded like in Middle English, probably sometime in the 14th century. Our Father that art in heavenes, hallowed be thy name. Thy realm or kingdom come to be. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.